the problem has a barn and dimensions. For us to solve the problem, there is an assumption. Well, we have more than one. We're just taking a look at one of them in this audiovisual. There is an assumption that we have to make. And the first assumption that we will make will require that we begin at the apex of the roof. Right there. There's nothing in the statement of the problem from which we may conclude that the perpendicular from the apex to the horizontal line bisects that line. Well, that's quite a mouthful, but there's nothing in the statement of the problem that states categorically, with beyond the shadow of a reasonable doubt, that the line that goes from the apex to this horizontal line bisects this line. There's nothing in the statement of the problem. That's an assumption that we have to make. To bisect this line means that it divides that line segment into two equal parts. So that line segment is divided into two equal parts, and we are saying that this line segment is also 18 meters like the one opposite to it. So this line that goes from the apex to the horizontal line bisects the horizontal line, which causes each section to be 9 meters. This being 18 meters, and of course we are saying that this line segment is equal to that one, so we divide that into two equal parts. We have 9 meters on either side. That bisection will make the diagram symmetrical, which means that the other slant edge of the roof, will also be 12 meters. We have one slant edge of the roof is 12 meters. The other slant edge will be 12 meters because this line segment that goes from the apex to this line bisects this line, which creates asymmetry, which will cause the other slant edge of the roof to be 12 meters. This one is 12, the other will also be 12 by symmetry. If that assumption is not made, then the candidates will not be able to solve the problem accurately. Most candidates will solve the problem not being conscious that the assumption was made and that it is not a fact in the statement of the problem. Students just take a look at it, come to the conclusion, they just go straight ahead, solve the problem, they get it right. But doing so, not being conscious of the fact that what they did is purely based on assumption and not mentioned or expressed in the statement of the problem.
Download Richard James Mathematics Resources app from the Google Play Store and have all of your examination solutions, instructional manuals, and other electronic books and booklets in one place. Also, have all of our products and services at your fingertips and on the go. Call or WhatsApp 876-351-9689 or 876-318-8848 for all hard copy books and booklets to complement your studies. Significant discounts will be given to everyone who is registered with any of our programs.